In this video, we're going to be discussing string slicing in Python. To slice a string, we can either use the indexing operator or the slice function to create a slice object. When slicing, we have three optional arguments that we can fill in depending on where and how we want to slice our string. 1. Starting index. 2. Stopping index. 3. Step. Starting index. The first character in a string has an index of 0. To create a substring from a string, we can use the indexing operator followed by the starting index. For example, if we have a string variable called name and we want to create a substring from the first part of the name, we can do the following. Assign the string value Hinode Rishu to the variable name. Then assign the first character of name to the variable first_name. Finally, print the value of first_name, which should be A. Stopping index. To slice an entire portion of our string, not just one letter, we need a stopping index as well. Both the starting and stopping index are separated with a colon. For example, to slice the first 3 characters of our string, we can use the following code. Create a variable called name and assign it the string value Hinode Rishu. Then, create another variable called first_name and assign it the substring of name from the first character, index 0, up to, but not including, the 4th character, index 3. Finally, print the value of first_name, which should be the string hin. Note that the starting index is inclusive, but the stopping index is exclusive. We can also use a shorthand way of writing this, which is to leave the starting index blank. Python will assume that this is 0, so we can write name 3 instead. Step. The step is an optional field that we can set a value to. It determines how much we're increasing our index by between the starting and stopping index. By default, the step is 1, but we can set it to any value. For example, if we want to create a substring that will count only every second character after the first, we can set the step to 2. Create a variable called name and assign it the string value Hinode Rishu. Then create a new variable called funky_name and assign it a slice of name consisting of every other character, starting from the first character. Finally, print the value of funky_name. This will count only every second character in the name string. That's it for string slicing in Python.